सरकारान वेर्णा जे घर मोडलां ते पावसान मोडून चूक केल्या. तांची चूक आसा त्या घरची पयलीं आपल्या कडेन येवंक ना. 40 वर्सां जालीं. त्या वेळार घर बांदलां हें कम्युनिदादीक खबर ना अशें जावपाक शकना म्हण दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार फ्रांसिस्को सार्दीन उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर दाबोळच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Yesterday I visited the site and it is quite a big plot. See, I was telling them, why you people didn't approach us? I am your member of parliament. Before demolishing, you could have approached. So I am Sangla. Only bad thing about the government is they should not have demolished during rains. They could have waited. I think that's why the court, I think, was given verdict in 17. Then now recently they have done. Before that, they could have come and met us. I could have spoken to the president of the Kumnidad. But one thing I want to tell the people, and even the Kumnad people, these 40 years back they say it was built. I don't think that the Kumnad authorities at that time didn't know. Maybe they had taken money from them. So that's why when the new guy comes, you cannot totally change. You have to go slow and give them a chance, because this is anybody's hard-earned money. It is not industry, it is hard-earned money. Prevention is better than cure. Don't allow illegal things to come instead of demolishing them later, because all these maybe sometimes whoever officers and all, they are all involved. They take money from them, allow them to do, then he is either goes retired or he is goes somewhere transferred, but then they suffer. This I've been telling even all government agencies.